Hello guys, my name is Annabel, and today we're gonna read There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Williams, and I'm gonna start reading. Here we go. There is a bird on your head. Bird, 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 bird.
Piggy!
Piggy's surprised.
Is something on my head?
Yes. There's a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah!
Hop, hop, hop.
Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, two. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have a good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching.
Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds in a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
The birds are eating a worm. Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them. Ask them.
Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked.
Bye.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. ... And that's the end of the book, but before, let's try to find the pigeon. Here, it's eating a hot dog. today I read There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Williams, and I will come back with another fun book video. See you guys next time. Bye!